For this next video, what I'm going to do is show you the product that I've selected to promote. So I'm going to go through here and I've decided to target in on Oakley sunglasses just because Oakley sunglasses, there's a variety of Oakley sunglasses. They are very popular and they are rather expensive as well, which means a higher payout as an affiliate. At 15% commission on, let's say, a $195 pair of sunglasses, you stand to make about $30 a pair. So that adds up pretty quickly for yourself. So I would recommend that you go after that market. So what I'm going to do here next is go right on over to Google, and we're going to do some quick keyword research. So I'm going to go to Google and go to the AdWords keyword tool. AdWords keyword tool. And this is all important for this entire special system here. So inside here, what I'm going to do now is plug in the main product name that I'm going to be going after. Now this is going to be slightly different than other kind of research that you may be doing. So, it is just because we're promoting a different sector of products. We're promoting a specific kind of physical type product. So let's just type in here, like Oakley, and then put in these keywords or these characters here. So Oakley is going to be where our keyword goes, our main keyword that we're going to pull from. So let's see here. We've got a variety of different options here. You've got everything from Oakley Juliet, Oakley goggles, Oakley polarized, Oakley sunglasses, just a whole list of different kinds of Oakley sunglasses. Now what I like to do is come over here to where it says global and do a search that way. And then also come right over here to where it says match type. And when I click on that, that just sorts it from the most searched for to the least searched for. And I'm going to choose phrase match because it's going to give us a better indication as to the popularity, for example. So as we go down here, what we're looking for is just some keyword phrases that might jump out as being keyword phrases that look like they could potentially have give us some traffic and different things like that. So for example, here's one: 49,500 people in the local search area, and then 74,000 every single month are looking for Oakley gas can. Oakley gas can. Well, when you click on this, you're going to see that right inside here of endless.com, for example, it looks like they actually have some Oakley gas can sunglasses. So let me actually, yep, there's one right there. There's a pair. There's a variety of pair of Oakley gas can sunglasses. Now you could probably do a quick search, and type in gas can just to see here what they have. And yep, there's several Oakley gas can sunglasses here. And these are very popular sunglasses because look at that search volume compared to some of the others. So you can see that that is very, very popular right there. Oakley gas can sunglasses. So that would definitely be a good niche that you're going to want to go after. So all I did there is I settled on something I was going to promote. Now let me show you if we were going to do like a TV, for example, or another gadget. Like let's just say we're going to do a Garmin Nuvi GPS just because they're so popular. So I'd come right over here to the Google AdWords keyword tool. Again, you can just go to Google, type in AdWords keyword tool. What I'm going to plug in here then is the name of the product, or at least the product manufacturer and the brand of that. So Garmin Nuvi. And I'm just going to do a keyword search and see what we get back here. So what I'm getting back here for Garmin Nuvi under phrase match, I'm finding that there is a lot of potential traffic here. We've got Garmin Nuvi 200, 246,000, Garmin Nuvi 200W. So all of these are potential niche markets within Garmin Nuvi. So you can see there is a lot of potential right here within the Garmin Nuvi niche. So it really kind of verifies it because you see them in the top sellers here. Plus, when you go to the Google AdWords keyword tool, you want to try to narrow down the most specific style of keyword phrase. Now, for this type of promotion, unlike when you're promoting ClickBank products where you want to find different keywords like weight loss and fitness and things like that, when you're promoting specific physical type products, your main keyword phrase research is already pretty much done for you, and basically right here, this is where your research is. Garmin Nuvi 260W, that's the model name and the name of that product. Flip Ultra HD camcorder, 120 minutes. That's the name of that product. Canon EOS Rebel TLI. So that's the specific name of that product, and that's going to be the keyword phrase you would target throughout this entire campaign. So you can see that, that's definitely going to be one of the best bets for you, just because it's very convenient, and those are going to be very targeted visitors. Apple iPod Touch 32 gigabytes, Apple iPod Touch 8 gigabytes. So that really kind of helps tell you that these are the best potential videos for you, or excuse me, keyword phrases to be going after is the name of the product. And the reason you use the Google Keywords tool is if you're involved in something like Endless.com or even Panasonic, for example. You really want to get some ideas of Panasonic TVs that might do well. You want to look at different keyword phrases within Garmin Nuvi that people want. Like Garmin Nuvi 260W. That tells you right here that model of Garmin Nuvi is very popular, so you might try to sell those products. But you see here, Oakley, when I just typed in Oakley, I found gas can sunglasses as being one of the most popular phrases. Well, lo and behold, they sell several of them at Endless.com. I can become an affiliate that pays out at $15 a pair. So you can see, or 15%. So it actually adds up rather quickly. So that's really where you go, is at this phase you want to really narrow down what kind of product you're going to be promoting, what product you're going to promote, because this whole system is going to be centered around promoting one product, then going on to another product and promoting that hard, and then going on to another product and pushing that one hard. So you can see here how it can, it's going to take a little bit of effort, but as with anything, it takes, effort to actually be successful online. So you're going to just need to focus in. You need to look for the keyword phrase and kind of determine the direction you're going to go. So my direction is going to be Oakley gas can sunglasses. That's what the whole entire focus is of this campaign remaining. And so when we go on to the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Amazon.com affiliate program so you can become an affiliate for Amazon and also Endless.com at the same time.